Our Puerto Vallarta stay is coming to an end, but before leaving to our next destination, we were curious to know which is the #1 all-inclusive resort in Puerto Vallarta. And what kept showing up is Grand Velas.
Beyond all inclusive, beyond all compare.
1, 2, 3.
So for the next 4 days, we're gonna see why Grand Velas is #1.
Let's go! Payoff!
Hey, you guys forgot the laptop.
Come on, cameraman!
Caminando, sembrando ley, camino por el mundo del rey, toda la cosa que he encontrado, todo el amor.
Bye bye, Punta Mita. See you later.
Tu risa, nunca jamás te dejo de mi vista, siempre listo, siempre dispuesta, sin parar, sin parar, parar, sin parar, sin parar, parar, sembrando el amor sin parar.
So we just checked into Grand Velas, and the first thing I noticed was the towering ceilings, the serene fountains, the manicured gardens, and we even got a massage during check-in. That's definitely a first. So Grand Velas has 267 suites. All suites are spacious, starting off with a minimum of 1,000 square feet. And we are staying in a parlor ocean view suite. This is so cool. Look what they got us. They have all the ingredients for us to make our own margarita. And once you walk down the long hallway, you are welcomed by a cozy little living room. And we've got 2 queen beds. There are a number of thoughtful amenities, such as the 12-option pillow menu, loaner beach totes and umbrellas, and Nespresso machines. And I love their elegant wooden furniture. Check out this private balcony complete with Balinese teak furniture, sweeping views of the pool, beach, and the bay. And my favorite, mini bars are well stocked with sodas, beers, and snacks replenished daily. And room service is available 24/7. Speaking of food, let's go try out our first restaurant.
Let's go! Barbecue time!
Now this resort is known to have high-end gourmet restaurants. In fact, they have 4 highly acclaimed restaurants. Options include an around-the-world culinary experience from Mexican, Italian, French, and Asian dishes. Let's start off with our Mexican restaurant, Frida. So we're starting off with the tepache drink. It's pineapple margarita.
We got the ants, we got the little wormy worms and the crickets, and I'm trying ants first. Tastes like peanut butter, but like chicharron and smoky. I just swallowed it.
My appetizer, bone marrow.
La gordita.
Bone marrow is amazing. So good. Thank you so much.
I got ribeye tacos in these blue corn tortillas, the guacamole, and spicy
I
sauce.
got beef tenderloin. For dessert, what'd you get, buddy?
I got avocado passion.
Chocolate and orange taquito with handmade chocolate sorbet. Frida was amazing. I recommend making it your first dinner choice when you arrive. It will truly kick off your week. Now, if your palate is craving more Asian dishes, the next on the list is Sen Lin. Appetizers, we are starting off with Vietnamese rolls and spring rolls. I got the catch of the day, which is mahi mahi, my favorite, and some chicken pad thai. Guess what they have?
What?
Yes, this startled me. I'm surprised. They have mango with clouds of sweet, sticky rice.
Oh my goodness.
I still can't believe they had my favorite mango and sticky rice dessert. But moving on, there are two other food options to go over, French and Italian. But unfortunately, since we're only here for 3 nights, we had to pick one over the other. And we decided on Piaf, their highly acclaimed gourmet French restaurant.
Bonjour.
So I just heard that they have over 30 choices of wine, all inclusive. That's unheard of.
Merci beaucoup. And tonight, I'm trying Merlot from Louis Barbel 2015.
This kid was in French class, and he asked the French teacher if he could go to the restroom. And the French teacher said, oui, oui. Get it? Yes.
This is appetizer right here. Got the salad.
That's the grapes with the cranberry compote and the brioche bread.
Ooh, compote. And what is that?
Escargot.
Escargot. And
And chicken gratin crepes.
it's a lobster soup infused truffle oil.
So how does the duck taste, Daddy?
It's very ratatouille.
Well, that's a wrap.
Now at the heart of the resort is this massive 3-tiered infinity pool. Attentive pool waiters can bring food and drinks to the loungers, and the vibe at the pool is peaceful and quiet, unless you have these two, of course. And the beach is miles long, nice for long walks or a run during sunrise. Now, if you're looking for a bit of relaxation, then head on to their spa. It has 20 treatment rooms for individuals and couples, with over 30 holistic treatments, plus an ice room, plunge pool, and hydrotherapy. All products used are natural and use plant extracts. This spa is also home to a salon and a fully equipped fitness center. And while you're enjoying your time away from the kids, they can head up to the kids club where there are daily activities from 9 to 6 p.m. And if the kids want to party until late night, you can join them at the Teens Club, where music, snacks, and games are flowing till 11 p.m.
Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down.
Beyond all inclusive, beyond all compare. Thank you, Grand Velas, for everything.